Hey, this is the first steam engine I made. It's a single acting, single cylinder, all machined out of stainless, brass, and aluminum, bar stock and flat stock. It's got about a 3/4 inch piston bore in it. It has a spark plug, well, just because I could. I got bored. Flywheel is all brass and stainless. It's a brass center that was pressed into a stainless. It was actually a ball valve ball that has been cut down to a half circle. Every part on it's been machined. Let's see if she'll fire up. There she goes. This thing will run all day and run all night. There it is.